Hi, Miss Gia's class. Welcome to your Wednesday science video. Now, we've been talking a lot about the carrot club and different fruits and vegetables. So I want to see if you know where fruits and vegetables grow. A lot of us probably eat fruits and vegetables every day, right? We eat apples, bananas, we probably eat some potatoes and onions and tomatoes and broccoli and carrots and all the fun, delicious things you see in the picture, and maybe other ones. But do you know how they grow? Let's check. So we're going to see, where do potatoes grow and how do they grow? They grow underground. Did you guys know that? Potatoes grow underground, and this is what the tops look like. So this is the top of a potato plant. And so what you do is you pull out the top and you have lots of potatoes growing underneath. They are the roots of the plant. So potatoes are called root vegetables because they don't grow on top, but they grow underneath the ground like roots of a tree or of a plant. So potatoes are root vegetables. All right, let's see our next one. Carrots. Carrots also grow underground. So just like potatoes, the green part is on top, and then you pull them out when it's time to take them to the supermarket or to the farmer's market, wherever you get your carrots. So they are also a type of root vegetable. Because remember, this is your dirt, and you have plants that grow above, and underneath the dirt, you have the roots. And so the vegetables that grow underneath are also roots. They are called root vegetables. How about broccoli? Did you guys know about broccoli? It grows above the ground. Okay, so it's not a root vegetable, but did you know that broccoli is actually a flower? Whoa, so we're eating flowers when we eat broccoli. The same thing is true when we eat cauliflower. You know what cauliflower is? It's like the white version of broccoli. So broccoli and cauliflower, it's in the name of cauliflower. They are the flowers of the plant. So you see here, all the leaves grow around it, and then you have this broccoli in the middle. Brussels sprouts. So look at this. The Brussels sprouts grow up and down. They grow vertically. And so here's a big cabbage on top, but then we have all the little baby cabbages, the Brussels sprouts. They look like this. And so these are what we eat. You have to cut them off of the main plant. Okay, so those are the Brussels sprouts. Let's look at fruit. So strawberries grow above the ground, but they're sort of hidden in these leaves. The leaves protect them from the sun. I don't know if you've ever gone strawberry picking, where you go to a farm and you pick your own strawberries, but you need to look very carefully. You have to open up the leaves and look for the little strawberries that are growing under these leaves. So like this, you see they hang off of the leaves like that. And apples. Apples grow on trees like this. Now, where Miss Gia lives, where I used to live in the United States, it's very, very popular to go apple picking in the autumn. So around October or November, you get your friends, you go in a car, you drive to a farm, and they have apple trees. And you bring a bag with you or a backpack, and you can pick your own apples straight from the trees. Have any of you done that? Have you gone apple picking? I don't know if you can do it in Chile. I've never done it, but that would be something fun to do, right? So apple picking is a very popular activity where I'm from. And you can make apple cider. Apple cider is a drink that you make when you squeeze the apples to get all the juice out of them. And you can also make apple cider donuts. Apple cider donuts are so yummy. You use the juice from the apples and you mix it into the donut dough or the donut mix. So the donuts get like cinnamon and sugar and some apple flavor. They're very tasty. Now, we in Chile are very lucky that a lot of fruit grows here. Things like peaches, watermelon, strawberries, I think, grow here. And a lot of fruit grows in other places too. So sometimes we trade. So maybe one country has really good bananas, so we'll get some bananas from them and maybe we give them something else. So if we look, fruits like oranges and bananas are grown in hot countries. Do you think Chile is a hot country? No, it's not hot all year. It's hot in the summer, but oranges and bananas need places that are hot all year round. Can you think of some places where there might be a good spot to grow oranges and bananas? Yeah, some places like Mexico, Colombia, Florida in the United States grows a lot of oranges. Yeah, so things that are in the middle. And I think you guys talked about this with Miss Krista, but looking at the equator. So that middle line all the way around the earth where the sun is really hot, those are some countries that have good oranges and bananas. Look at that. Did you know that that's what bananas look like when they grow on trees? They grow up like that. Isn't that crazy? And that's what oranges look like. They also grow on trees. And oranges and bananas start like a flower. And then the flower opens up and grows the fruit. So we also have raspberries. I love raspberries, but I don't know if they grow here in Chile very well. But raspberries grow like strawberries. They grow on a bush. So you can have a really, really big bush. They can grow pretty big for raspberries. And you pick them raspberries when they're ready. So, what do you guys think? Can you name, let's see, we learned about broccoli, and we learned about Brussels sprouts, and carrots and potatoes. And what about turnips? Where do you think turnips grow? They're kind of like carrots. What do you guys think? Yeah. So turnips are the same like potatoes and carrots. They're root vegetables. Do you guys remember what that means? Right, so a root vegetable is going to grow underneath the ground, right? And so that means that turnips grow underground, and when they're ready, you pull them out. And what about beets? Beetroots. What do you think about them? Where do they grow? Yeah, if you've ever seen in the supermarket maybe, or in the feria here, beetroot, they're just like carrots and turnips and potatoes. So they grow under the ground. And they have a long, long leaves at the top. So that means they are root vegetables. Exactly. And how about tomatoes or tomatoes? Yeah, they grow on plants. So tomato plants can grow really tall, and lots of tomatoes will grow on them. And tomatoes start from a flower also. And what about onions? Do you guys know where onions grow? Yeah, onions also grow, I think, underground. I'm pretty sure onions grow underground. Yeah. I'll tell you guys tomorrow in Zoom, because we're going to do an activity about this. So, if you need to, you can rewatch this video, but tomorrow I'm going to check how much you remember about where fruits and vegetables grow. Okay? So, next time you're at the supermarket, Or if you're looking at food online, maybe you're getting your groceries delivered to your house. See if you can figure out where the fruit and vegetable that you're ordering, where it grows. All right? Cool, friends. That was our science video for today. We're going to keep talking about this tomorrow in Zoom. So like I said, if you need to watch the video again, you can do that. Otherwise, check out our other videos for today in English and history, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Bye.